Delicious keto turkey recipe for a healthy feast. The ketogenic diet has gained immense popularity in recent years, thanks to its potential for weight loss and improved health. One of the biggest challenges for individuals on this diet is finding flavorful and satisfying recipes that align with its low-carb, high-fat principles. Why turkey for keto? Firstly, it's a lean protein source that's low in carbohydrates. Secondly, turkey is rich in vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, selenium, and zinc, which are essential for overall health. Lastly, it's incredibly versatile, allowing for a wide range of keto-friendly preparations that are sure to satisfy your cravings. Ingredients: 1 whole turkey, 10 to 12 pounds. 2 1/2 cup of butter, unsalted. 3 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 4 salt and pepper, to taste. 5 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 6 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. 7 1 teaspoon of dried sage. 8 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 9 zest and juice of 1 lemon. 10 fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme, and sage, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. 2. Prepare the turkey. Remove the turkey from its packaging and rinse it thoroughly under cold water. Pat it dry with paper towels. Season the turkey inside and out with salt and pepper. 3. Prepare the herb butter. In a small bowl, combine the minced garlic, dried thyme, dried rosemary, dried sage, lemon zest, and softened butter. 4. Gently separate the skin. Carefully lift the skin of the turkey breast and thighs using your fingers, creating pockets without tearing the skin. 5. Apply the herb butter. Take half of the herb butter mixture and spread it evenly under the skin of the turkey, making sure to cover as much surface area as possible. 6. Rub the outside. Rub the remaining herb butter mixture all over the outside of the turkey. 7. Tie the legs. Tie the turkey's legs together using kitchen twine to help it cook evenly. 8. Roasting the turkey. Place the turkey in a roasting pan, breast side up. Drizzle olive oil over the top and sprinkle with additional salt and pepper. Pour the lemon juice into the bottom of the pan. 9. Insert a meat thermometer. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the turkey thigh without touching the bone. 10. Roast. Roast the turkey in the preheated oven for approximately 3 to 3.5 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. 11. Basting, optional. If you'd like, you can baste the turkey with pan juices every 30 minutes to keep it moist and flavorful. 12. Rest. Once the turkey reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the oven and tin it with aluminum foil. Allow it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes before carving. 13. Garnish and serve. Garnish your beautifully roasted keto turkey with fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage. Carve and serve.